pretty damn good. This is the, what is it called? Korean fried chicken?
Yeah.
Korean fried chicken bucket. Surprisingly barbecuey, tangy. Not a lot of breading, but there is some breading, but it's actually pretty good. The flavor's really good. You got some waffle fries in there. Big bite is a must. I got like $3 for the price of this, but I'd say it's worth it. The good reviews online were not wrong for stadium food. Definitely above the 9 range for sure. More to come. Okay. After having a couple more bites and you know the fries, but just looking at this thing in general, that's a lot of food. I mean, this is gonna feed at least one person, maybe two, fully feed them for a couple hours. So for the price, for the taste, definitely worth it. And the fries are actually really good. I know there's some people saying bad things about the fries not being flavored, but solid 9+. Alright, we made it to Daybird after our Dodger Stadium stop. Supposedly this place has got really good chicken sandwiches, like a fried hot chicken sandwich with also a fish sandwich that's supposed to be like ridiculous. Dodger Stadium was excruciatingly hot, so we bugged out a little early to hit a food spot on the way home, and Daybird is it. Let's see what we're talking about. Alright, so first I'm going to try fry. But we got 2 Szechuan chicken sandos. One is hot. One is maybe not so hot, medium-ish. First of all, I mean, look at it. It looks pretty damn good. Not sure which one is which, to be honest with you guys. But I think this one's going to be the hot one. This one's not going to be as hot. Alright, let's try it. I'm going to take a bite out of this one first. Carefully put that one back. We got french fries. We got a side of some sauce. Yep, there you go. So just for everyone, they got the hot labeled on the back. A lot of traffic around here, obviously very popular spot. Take it out of the packaging. Alright, let's get into this thing. First bite, obviously going to be all chicken, no sandwich. A lot of breading, a lot of seasoning, but there's like a honey aspect to it. Not too spicy though. Going back in. Still, all chicken, no sandwich, but obviously that's not a good thing. Last thing you want is a tiny chicken sandwich. Ooh, I'm starting to feel a little bit of spice now. French fries. Those are definitely some dark meat chicken. A whole lot of flavoring, a whole lot of seasonings, spices there. Not bad. For a spicy chicken sandwich, this thing is definitely on par with your Flamin', your Howlin' Rays. I think the only one that would kind of compare would be your Howlin' Ray, but we're not standing in line for 2 hours to get this. It was relatively easy, in and out. I mean, less than 10 minutes to even get our food. So I'm gonna try it with the sauce, their bird sauce, I think it is what they called it. But this is a really solid spicy chicken sandwich, guys. I mean, just right off the bat, no sandwich, all chicken. Solid 9+, for sure. Really good food. Bird sauce is amazing. Really complements the burger itself. I mean, again, third bite, no sandwich, all chicken. I don't think you can complain about that. If that's something to complain about, then maybe just trim the chicken off. But yeah, spicy chicken sandwiches, out of all the spicy chicken sandwiches that I've had, this one is up there with the best, if not the best. seriously. I'm gonna say 9+ all day. Daybird chicken sandwich. After having a couple bites, chasing it down with an ice cold Coke, I'm gonna say 9.5 minimum. Spices were on point, crisp, flavor, the coleslaw. We got another mild one that's going down now, and a solid chicken sandwich. You know, Howlin' Ray's is pretty good, but this place is right up there. I think there should be a line going around the corner for it because the flavors are equally as good. I had the hot was not overwhelming hot. It was flavorfully hot, and all around great chicken sandwich.